From Sorrento, you can take a quick boat out to Capri. And ever since ancient Roman times, this has been a hangout for emperors and socialites and big shots. Roman emperors like to go out here for their vacation. You can take the short boat from Sorrento out to Capri, and the popular thing to do in Capri, there's lots to see on the island, but the real attraction for a lot of tourists is the famous Blue Grotto. And you'll go there with a tourist boat, and then you get off the big boat and you get into a little dinghy, and you nervously scooch down into the bottom of your dinghy as you've got your ruffian boatman that tells you, get deep down or you're going to lose your fingers. And then when the swell gets to a low ebb, he pulls the chain and he pulls you through this tiny little hole in the wall, and bam, you're in the Blue Grotto. And it's just glorious. And he'll sing, O Solo Mio. And then he'll say, I'm not going to take you out of here unless you give me more money. And it's that kind of a gimmick. It's a tourist trap, but it's a beautiful tourist trap. And if you're going to Capri, it's a delightful thing.